What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you for tuning into my stream. We are here. We're awake. It's 10 a.m. and let's get straight into the stream. The first thing I'm going to do actually is post a link to this stream in the Discord group. I just wanted to say, guys, holy smokes, we've got over 250 people in the Discord group already. And people in the Discord. Whoops. 250 people in the Discord group already. It's crazy. So thank you for joining. I appreciate everybody who's joined the group so far. And I'm just posting this link. Okay. And then I'm also going to post the link to the disc. Well, I'll do that later, but we'll post it at the start just for people to find it out. I know, like, I got a couple comments saying, "Oh, how do you get into the Discord group?" What's up, Star Maker? Jeff, TGOD earnings. Yes, sir. They're coming up. We'll read the report. Mostly my big boys are slightly red, a couple smaller ones fleck from it. Good morning, Eric. Thank you for tuning in. I've seen you in here a lot recently, so it's awesome to have you here. What's up, Launch 7? What's up, Ryan? What's up, Jose? Oh, yeah, shoot. Smash that like button. Okay, so, yeah, I just want to quickly take a look. Wow, TGOD's down 4.56%, eh? Should have sold it yesterday. I held into the quarter too. TGOD's not a super big position of mine, but I was expecting another little pop. But we'll see how we do on the day. I do have the TGOD earnings, so we can take a look at the report. I read it last night. Should be on New Cannabis Ventures. So let's quickly take a look here. Canopy Growth announces multi-year extraction agreement with Victoria-based Hollyweed North Cannabis Incorporated. That's why Canopy's up. So we can also take a look at that one. Valence GrowWorks raises $30 million. RBC to lend Evenco $18 million. So Evenco's skyrocketing today. We'll also take a look at that Tilray revenue. Why is TGOD earnings not on this site? Okay, we'll find it. That was a bad, here we go. That was a bad spelling. Whatever I live in. Okay, let me just pull up the comments so I can also talk to you guys. I was just getting everything together here. All right. 1 second. I get insider info, Aaron. DG Stocks, what's up? TGOD will still live. I think so too. I was not talking about SCNA all week. I'm the USA arm of Departures Capital Wheat Stock Research Team. Been a little while since I've been able to watch you live stream, but wow. Look at you changing things up. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. ACB held on. Organigram. Are we looking at ACB? We will later. We got to look at TGOD earnings right now. What's up, Reefer? Reefer Al Joint. Boy, you trash. What's up, Dan B? Good morning, Doug. Morning, Paper Chasers. Okay, I'm done, guys. I just wanted to say what's up to you guys. Yo, Aaron, I feel like you are right with MedMen, lower highs. Yeah, that's something we're definitely watching. I didn't add to MedMen even at the lows right now. I just want to see if it goes back down. I'm just not too sure about MedMen, but I did add to Saniva. What's it doing today? Oh, it's holding on to $5. Howdy, fella. Have you looked into Slang Worldwide? Drop the link. I'm pretty sure I did. I can't remember. And yeah, we need to take our first cup of tea. Our first. The TGOD, what's this? Praise you, T. Nice. The TGOD report yesterday was dropped in the group. I'm just trying to find it. Oh. What's this? You guys talking about my merch? Take a look at that, guys. Big ACB supporters in here. Sorry, I'm just trying to find the report for TGOD. Someone posted it. There we go. That's just the logo. If someone's got the link, feel free to put that in the description. I thought it would be a lot easier to find their quarter. TGOD. Okay, what's going on here? All right. Sorry, guys. And the music stopped too. I'm holding long. It's sub penny red day, but load up. What's up, Doug? Time for Toto. Stream sucked. Aaron posted off the gods. Canopy on a great rise this AM. Yeah, Canopy's doing pretty good. I'm trying to find that report for TGOD. How is it not like right on the news? The Green Organic Dutchman ends 2018 with a strong balance sheet. There we go. I'm sorry, guys. Found it right now. Your report's year-end results. Post first quarterly revenue. Okay, we'll take a look at the headlines right now. That's better. What's up, Max? How are those lights? Are you getting those lights installed? All right. The Green Organic Dutchman ends 2018 with a strong balance sheet. Liquidity. The Toronto company has $263 million in cash and restricted cash to bankroll its facilities, expansion, and international growth. Announced Wednesday that it ended 2018 with a strong balance sheet and liquidity, including $263 million in cash and restricted cash to continue to bankroll its expansion and international growth. The company was well capitalized, having completed the largest Canadian cannabis IPO on May the 2nd, raising gross proceeds of $132 million. Among other financial highlights, it also completed private placements worth $77 million in gross proceeds and received support from the investor community with $63 million in warrants. So, that's just the headline. Global news. This is more about the quarter, and then we also have Market Watch. This Market Watch article. Frosty morning. 32 pot lights being installed. It's awesome. Oh my gosh. Damn it. Sorry guys, I just spilled my coffee. Never fails that I spill something. If this wasn't a wine glass though, it would be completely spilt, but it like tipped over and I caught it. Holy crap. But it spilled all over my iPhone. Amateur. Okay. I'm not going to clean it up. I'm just going to move some stuff around because I want to read this. Sorry, guys. Got coffee on my globe. But we didn't spill it on the button either. Perfect. Yuck. The stream goes on. I'll just soak it up with this piece of paper. Okay. Hiro Naka. It's not going to be sticky because I don't put anything in my coffee. I just drink it black. But if there was sugar in there, that'd be real nasty. Okay, sorry about that. The Green Organic Dutchman said it had a net loss of $45 million or 21 cents per share for 2019. Wider than expected, wider than the $13.5 million loss, 12 cents a share posted the year earlier. Revenue came to $1.9 million as the company booked its first quarterly revenue following the acquisition of Hempoland on October 1st and the full legalization of cannabis in Canada on October 17th. The company did not provide a net The company did not provide a net loss for the quarter, but said its loss for operations came to 18.1 million due to costs of ramping up operations, consumer research, and administration related to gearing up for commercial production in 2019. So, still a lot of news. Oh, I want to just play a couple beats. It's like super quiet in here. So what do you guys think of the TGOD quarter? I'll read this article too. Basically, TGOD sucks. He likes his coffee like he likes his woman black and strong as hell. That's not true. But that's funny. It's kind of rather the opposite. Serena Williams. Wow. Thank you for tuning in, Norbert. And we don't... She's a good tennis player. That's about it in my books. Okay, so the Green Organic Dutchman reports year-end results. This is the last article I'm going to read about TGOD, and then we'll take a look and see what TGOD's doing. TGOD's down about 4%, although it looks to be bouncing a little bit today. So we'll see. We'll see if TGOD can pick its stocks back up. So far, it looks like it's doing all right. It's recovering a little bit. So let's read this last article, and then we'll get into things. So we'll just read like the highlights. The TGOD company. The Green Organic Dutchman is pleased to report its financial operational results for the year ending December 31st. Q4 highlights: the company ended the year with a strong balance sheet and liquidity of 265 million. Hemp Poland for 18 million announced its first quarterly revenues through Hemp Poland of 1.9 million. Accelerated construction spending at Hamilton and Valleyfield sites to 39 million. So that was something that the other reports didn't say. An increase of 19%, or 6.4 million compared to 33 million in the third quarter 2018. Completed a $76 million bought deal financing at $685 per unit. So $685 per unit, that's pretty good. Experienced a loss of operations of 18.1 million as a result of ramping up operations, numerous consumer research activities, and administration in preparation for commercial production. Okay, so personally, I think that this quarter was all about... There's no real profit shown just yet. TGOD was a little bit late to the party, but moving forward, obviously they've scaled extremely fast. So we'll see how the stock performs throughout the day. So far, it's only down 4%, which is all right, I guess. So I've got my phone. I'll answer any comments. I'm gonna simply just like do what I do on my normal streams. Look through all the list of stuffs. The name of my haircut. I don't know actually. I'd want to call it a comb over fade, but I've got that hard part. I don't know what you call it. Some people said I've got the Pinky Blinders haircut. Hi, can you explain why ACB fell today? I would say why ACB fell today. Slowing momentum. The rally's slowly starting to run out. I mean, what? It's the first red day in how long? ACB's down 0.7%. Norbert. I'll allow that comment. That's kind of funny. My friend says that all the time. Yeah, my friend says that all the time. You look like a cop hair. Yeah, I agree. Got the short on the sides and a little bit longer on the top. I don't want to offend anyone or say anything bad, but my friend says I look like I have a Nazi haircut. So, anyways. So, Peaky Blinders. Yeah, I don't even know how to say it. Pinky. I think I called it Pinky Blinders. Peaky Blinders. Yeah, smash that like button, guys. Is that only 33 likes? I don't know what's going on, but it's all good. Why is there ads on this beat? So we're gonna recap everything in just 2 seconds. Let me just pull up comments on this computer so it's easier for me to answer. One thing I found about these recent streams, when I used to schedule them for too long, my delay would be like really insane. All right, so we got 42 likes. Thank you guys. Scooter Magooter, thanks man. It's about time I got a damn haircut. my normal barber's in Vietnam right now, and he's sending me messages on Instagram being like, man, get a damn haircut. Loan was yesterday at Midas Slaughter. James went crazy about their innovative financing game. Cool. We'll take a look. Just request. So Pure Global, biggest gainer on the day. International Canna Brands has actually been doing pretty good. We'll pull up that tab, and we'll also close off. Just gonna close off these tabs. Oh shoot. I want to read that article about Canopy. We'll keep it up there. Dynomed Brands to buy Los Angeles cannabis operations for $19 million. New article. And that's another one. Isodiol went up like crazy yesterday, 30%. This beats horrific. What do we got here, Max? I sold all my stocks, waiting for a bigger sell-off. Zine. What's with Tilray, man? Max, you love FSD. Vietnam. You guys. Okay. Canopy 48 North. What else we got here? Wayland. Oh my gosh. Is Wayland ever going to stay above a buck? Okay. We'll allow it. I'll just, okay. So guys, Max just posted a video. If you want to check that out later, maybe I'll check it out a little bit later. Just kind of a little busy right now. Okay, sure. 11:20 to 16:20, no problem. What's in the video? Yes, crop infrastructure is finally in the green today. I don't get this thing though. And close off a couple more of these tabs. Okay, Tilt Holdings managing to almost hold $3. Naturally Splendid. I didn't see water on the green list, so I hope it's dipping again. Let's see. Kiosk Beverages biggest decliner. TGOD, man, TGOD's not doing too bad. FSD Pharma's flat today. He just talks about either they're going and what they're doing. Good morning, Mr. Mark. Thank you for tuning in. What's up, Max? Valen's Grow Works, Oxley Cannabis selling off a tiny bit. 3 cents down to $1. Medmen's in the red, just a little bit. Aurora Cannabis in the red. Where's Alkaline Water? Man, I want this stock to keep going down. I think Oxley's finally making a recovery. I think Oxley's going to be, like, if their business model plays out the same as wheat and precious metals, compare wheat and precious metals to the rest of the miners. The streaming business model is a very good business model. So that's what originally interested me in Oxley. Streamers. I didn't hear that. See, I haven't done enough research about it, so you could very well be right. I just know that in some sectors, taking a streaming approach to whatever you're doing is actually really good. If you look at wheat and precious metals. Sup, papist. That's a tough name to say. Okay. So we're gonna look at a few charts in a sec. Someone said, "What's up with Tilray?" Tilt Holdings. Let's take a quick look. High Tide, Flower One, and then I want to look at my 2019 portfolio. Hey, no problem. I really appreciate when you guys tell me all this stuff. Like, thank you, Hironaka. Cause I literally don't have time to watch all these videos and stuff, like, and actually have a life at the same time, right? So, you guys help me out a lot. Thank you. All right. International Canna Brand's biggest stock in the green today. I don't get why crop infrastructure has to use black when it comes to saying that it's up 1.5%. Facebook, Activision Blizzard, Canadian utilities. What is dropping on the day? IQ, FSD Pharma, Harvest One, Endeavor Silver, First Majestic, First Quantum. That's one to look at. JD.com's dropping. ACB. Kind of want to add to this one today. Fortis. We're seeing the defensives kind of sell off today. Defensive stocks have been on a tear recently, though. All right, so once I get a license and revenue, it'll pop everything in my portfolio. Maybe I should add a little bit to FSD Pharma today, Max. What do y'all think? I bought it 30 cents for fun just to join the party. Maybe I'll buy a little bit more FSD today. Yeah. Hit that thumbs up button if I should buy a little more FSD. True Leaf Medicine. Okay. I'll do that in a sec. See if I can do that on this phone. Oh no. This is the iPhone that I spilled coffee on. Hopefully it still works. Jeff Bishop. He used to share a bed with his brother in college. Now he makes millions every day in the stock market. Alright, I like this. This beat's alright. LGO, I know. Take a look at that soon. I just want to look at a couple more things. So, Alkaline Water Company. This is one I've been watching for so long. I started watching this company, like, let's see here, guys. I started watching it around 3. Was it around 3? Or was it back? No. It was around $3, I think. Yeah. It was definitely around $3. $3.30. Someone was talking about it. Hey, water time. Say it like that to him and he will be proud. How that's how locals say it. Vietnam. That's awesome. Southern Oregon checking in. What's up, Joe? Morning. Just swing traded ACB. Bought some yesterday. Actually gonna buy another 6,500 shares of FSD. Okay. I'll buy some with you, Max. Just oh, my neck. Give me a sec. Let's go. All right. By the way, I want to say, guys, 120 people. Like, my streams are so much more just better, and I appreciate you guys, all of you guys in here. And I don't know if it's because of my Discord group or because my channel's growing or whatever it might be, but I just want to say it's awesome to be building this community. So, yeah, let's keep it up. 10x. Grant Cardone. I'm going to quickly just... Oh, I'm going to give myself a like. So in the chat, link to my Discord group. We got over 250 people in there now. I can't believe it. I remember starting that group thinking, oh, like I wonder how this is going to go, if it's going to be all right. And now here we are. Unemployment's rising. We'll see. What's up, Brandon Weaver? Okay, back to our charts for water. Honestly, guys, I didn't buy the dip for water. It would have been a really good swing trade, maybe like a 3 to 4 day hold, I'd say. But I didn't buy into the dip for water, and as you guys can see, we weren't able to make higher highs just yet. So I do think water is going to keep trending downwards for a little bit. I do think we're going to potentially retest like 340, 330, 340, because they issued 4 million shares at about 341 Canadian dollars, 250 US. So I feel like what this was people buying the dip, not knowing why they bought the dip. And now we're just going back down. So right at this point, I would be patient with water. I'm still patient with water. Before they did that 4 million share offering, I was saying, you know, okay, I want to buy this, but I'm not going to buy it unless it goes below $4. And then sure enough, I think it was at 420 or 430 the day it closed, and then boom, it went right down to 330. So glad I didn't buy it like the company, but I think we're going to decline a little bit more. I really want to get in at 340, 330, 340. I might pull the trigger if we go to 350, just as I think it could like bounce, but 350 is the most I'd probably pay for water. 360. That's the thing. I do feel like there are a lot of people who do want to buy, you know, right around 360. You could be right, Max. I just think it's going to keep trending down for a bit. So that's it for water. Been watching water every single day, and it's still not where I want to buy it, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. With sales of 21 million, should rise. It will go down to 350. I hope so, Max. We'll see. So we're going to get to Canopy. We've got an article for Canopy, some news for Canopy. Let's look at the rest of these bad boys just for now. Market's in the red, down 0.35%. Tilray is up 1% today. Tilray after that hasn't really done much after the quarter. Kind of just slowly started to sell off, but not really. Although Tilray does look like it could fall below $70. Wheat is up $3. Oh, an exec yesterday at minus out of James went crazy about their innovative financing game. Thanks, Scott. Yeah, IMT looks pretty cool. I actually want to check in on IMT. See what we're at. I know it did sell off. Oh. What? I'm so confused. Did IMT go back up to 7 cents? Because it says it's down half of a cent, but yesterday I checked it, it was at 6 cents. No, this is a tiny, tiny cap, but for me, it's worth the risk. But these kind of companies, you got to be ready to sit on it for a long time and not really like, it's almost like playing roulette, but with a little bit more education behind your bet. Okay. Believer in FSD long term. Planet 13 FSD. My up-to-date quote says 6 cents. Who was the one that said DG is pimping FSD Friday? MIM stock chart looks interesting as well, but a bit of a high risk for sure. We own some FSD. I'll take a look at that in a sec. All the main markets slightly in the red. Hexo, go buy in. Will you be online 2 p.m. for the Fed announcement? That might be a good idea. Hey, what's up, Jay? That'll definitely move gold and silver. Patience, Max, with FS. Yes. Come on, Max. You got to have patience this time. Let's all do it together. Let's all hold FSD till we see some nice gains. Blueberries up again today. What's up, Jose? Jose Lito. Antonio. Read my comment about with sales. Okay. For the year, Chemist is rocked with a net profit after tax of 27 million. POW. Okay, we're getting a ton of comments, so let me just blow through these charts real quick and then we'll look at a few more companies. Tilt's looking pretty good, although the daily indicators are kind of weak-ish. It is holding $3 though. I just hope we don't start to see lower highs. I would like to see Tilt get above 330, and that would look like a confirmation of a change in trend, because it definitely was downtrending from $4 all the way to 250-ish. But we bought somewhere in and around here. 270 or 3, I don't know. 250, something like that. Uh-oh. We got some conflicting opinions. Okay, I'll change First Quantum Minerals into LGO after this. Don't worry. Don't worry, sir. I want to own some First Quantum. First Quantum looks like it went from 9 to 14, so it's up quite a bit. Looks to have some decent support in this level. Because I own First Majestic and First Mining, I kind of want to own some First Quantum. The chart looks okay. Let's see the technicals. Strong, strong, strong sell. Maybe I'll wait out a little bit on First Quantum. Wow, crude oil inventories just came in at minus 10 million barrels versus 0.3 of a surplus projected. Let's see oil fly. Oh yeah. Holy crap. Look at that. But I don't get these stupid oil inventories. How do you forget about 10 million barrels? Oh, some guy was counting wrong and he missed the 10 million barrels sitting in the corner. Sorry, Lucas. I just saw that and I was like, what the hell? Largo Resources. I know Cyberworld bought a bunch of Largo Resources and then he sold Largo Resources. I wonder, I guess he just swing traded it. Papist. Yes, oil is very, the Saudi clan is cutting production so oil price will rise. I do think oil price will continue to rise. 10 million barrels were going to conflicting dictatorship countries to be sold under the table. That's funny. Well, it's not funny, but it's could be true. Yeah, look at this. U.S. crude oil inventories unexpectedly fell by 9.6 barrels. 9.6 million barrels. Come on, guys. So Largo Resources. Man, let's see here. What does the company do? I looked them up and I didn't really take an interest, but oh, vanadium. I guess that's because I don't know much about vanadium. Vanadium flake and vanadium powder at the Marax. Mention mine located in Bahia State, Brazil. Mine properties. Okay. Honestly, I don't know much about vanadium. I should probably look that up. Alrighty, no, I'll definitely here. You know what? I'm gonna add this company to my watch list. Looks to be at nice lows. Well, not lows, but had a nice sell-off. $1.12 billion market cap. Alright, cool. Let's add that to the list. One thing I'm looking to add to in terms of our portfolio, and I think I might start doing it today. Copper. I'm looking at some copper miners. I might start I might start a new portfolio here. A new watch list. Copper 2019. There's a few companies like Nevsun, NEV. I don't know how to spell it. I'll figure it out in a second. You guys probably don't care right now. North by the end of 2019. Honestly, I don't have that. I haven't done that much research on North. The guy to talk to about 48 North is Tom the Trader. That was his pick. That was his best pick of the year. And he will give you the best information. What's up with the baddest? I'm not losing out on this one. I have FSD Farm to sell at 250. Hopefully we get there real soon, Max. Next stock we're taking a look at quickly, just quickly, is Extendicare. This stock actually managed to run off $7. Hard to say where we're going from here. I'd like to see it hold. Paying a 6.666. Is that a sign? 6.66% dividend. Charts are looking not bad. No, this one looks alright. What's it at right now? 731. Might add a little, might add a bit to this position. Okay, next company, Crop Infrastructure. Yo, Alex, what price did you put $1,000 in Namaska? Let me find my slippers. Okay. 41 cents. All right, cool. Let's take a look right after we take a look at Crop. Crop is, I forget what we bought Crop at yesterday. Hopefully 31 cents. Was it 31 cents yesterday? Might have bought it at 32 cents. Oh well. Crop slow moving, very slow moving. All right, next stock. International Cannabis. Last time we bought Juju was at 9 cents. Currently at 12 cents. It's crazy how that's a 25% increase. But hasn't done much, although one thing I like to see is Juju's holding 10 cents. Holding 10 cents. Trying to make a little bit of a breakout. I feel like if Juju can get back up to 14, then we might be looking good for Juju. And we've noticed a little bit of an increase in volume here as we've moved up, so that's somewhat of a good sign. And we can just look at one more thing. RSI is moving up quite substantially too. Okay. That's, no, Juju's International Cannabis, so it's like they do branding for the cannabis. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can add that. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I've been trying to incorporate a little bit more technicals into my charts. There is the moving average. I want to do a couple of videos simply explaining it too, and I want to do a little more research for myself. But volume, candlesticks, and RSI so far has proved pretty good. What's up, Kyle? Waiting for Medman to fly. Aaron better get on that FFC up almost 5%. What? Are you serious? Dude, what are... Oh, man. Yo, I missed it. Went down to 21.5 cents. That's because you're buying all the shares, Max. ACB down 1% almost. Holding on to 13 bucks. That's all right. Like I said, guys, excuse me, what? Give me a consensus on the average age of this chat. Average age? As in the average age of me? You guys are sadly mistaken. I'm not 30 at all. Oh, average age. Oh, yeah, cool. Yeah, that's a really great question to ask. I'm not 32. 27. Yeah, how old are you guys? I know my demographic for videos, but I don't know my demographic for 47. If I look like this when I'm 47. Hey, Jay. Sorry, buddy. Sometimes I just like to know stuff. Okay. Thanks for sharing that, guys. So you basically... Oh, wow, Andrew, 66. Most of you are in your 20s to 40s, but then the average would be like 30s. Will ACB hit $30 before Kronos? Kronos already hit 30 bucks. Bunch of times. Whatever, it's okay, guys. We're going to start a tea club one day. Or I'm going to start a tea club. So I really want to hit the like button, Planet 13. Okay. Lily Harry's 89. Wow. Impressive. Impressive. So we're looking at TGOD. TGOD's actually been climbing today. TGOD opened at 493. Climbed right back up to 530. So yeah, we saw a nice bounce for TGOD. I love buying in the red. I gotta agree with that. Buying in the red's awesome. So next, stock Suniva. Taking a quick look at this, up to 504. I figured at $5 it's a decent time to add a little position. Didn't add too much to it, but $5. I agree on TGOD. In big need of some cash. Last question, where is everybody located today? Switzerland. Ottawa. Jay's gonna get pissed, but yeah, let us know, guys. Where are you from? Nashville, Toronto, Illinois, lots of Canada, Iowa. Oh, IIPR is down on the day. What a big surprise. Yeah, that's cool. Japan Chiba. Whereabouts in Japan? Sorry, I get excited. Yo, there's guys picking up trash outside my window right now. I wonder if they can hear me. Okay. What should I tell him, Max? Yell at him. Hey bro, you missed a wrapper right there. No, you missed that water bottle. Are you gonna forget that one? I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. I'll tell them to buy FSD Pharma. 360 Risk Solutions up 1 cent. Called that one, guys. I called that one. No. Come on here. What's going on with this damn chart? $56 or 56 bucks, 56 cents. Tom was saying how 56 could be the floor. I think so. Hopefully, we'll see. All right, so now we'll take a look at a bunch of other ones. So let me look at the real-time quotes for Huge. Lots of folks on Earth. Oh, man. I'm not buying FSD now. It's at 24 cents. Damn, it says I need an upgrade. I'm just going to quickly download this. Update my app. So I can make a trade on my iPhone and I can have the stream going on my EMO. Come on. Okay. Nova Scotia, Halifax, your butler picking up trash. No. How much is Kron in Canadian? All right, let's look. What about Pure Global? I sold Pure Global at 25 cents with no intentions to get back in, but it dropped to 19 cents. Tell him you never throw trash out the window. All right. No, I want to give him a cup of tea, but I don't know if they're into that. What's up, boys? Good job. You want a cup of tea? So yeah, Pure Global's finally making showing some kind of signs of life. Today it went from 19 to 22 cents, so that's all right. Just not sure where we're going long term. They did get their license though, and they're getting into the medical space. There is a bunch of good stuff for Pure. $33 million market cap. That's tiny. Super tiny. So Pure could be on the way back up, but this recent move was on not that high volume. Volume's been kind of declining recently, so I don't know. It's hard to say. We'll see, guys. We'll see what happens. Pimpin' it for tea. Look at MYM. Okay. MYM's good. A good one to look at. I haven't looked at MYM for a while. We own some MYM. Okay. No problem. Come on, man. Go to your app store. Oh my gosh. I'll look at the chart in 1 second. Super annoying. How are you going to tell me to update the app when I don't even see it on here. Jeez. Just gonna check real quick. There we go. Okay, we found it. All right, charts for MYM. Pull up the full charts here. The thing I like about these charts, we are seeing higher lows. It looks to be doing some kind of consolidation. I did buy it at 46 cents last time. So still sitting on some gains, but I hope it's not like this time where we went from 50 to 70 and then to 40. But it's looking different. I mean, this literally went up and then straight back down and then up and then down even more. So looking in the past, we've seen a couple of these. We saw it fall off a cliff and go back up and continue the downtrend. Then it looked like we were going to reverse the trend, and then MYM has just been in an ugly downtrend. But right around 50 cents. If you look back to 2017, it looks like there's going to be some pretty decent support at 50 cents. So I think that's why MYM is holding on to 50 cents. Okay, let's take a look. I want to see what friggin' FSD farm is. Oh my gosh. It says I still need an upgrade. Alright, forget this. I'll do it on my phone. Boy, you trash. So, yeah, I haven't been pouring money into cannabis just because I'm a little bearish on the markets too. We'll see where it goes, but yeah, it's tough. Oh man, ATCO. Hydro 1, yes, Hydro 1's up 0.6%. Just added to that yesterday. Northland Power. Looking at Northland Power. What's up, Mike? Thank you for tuning in. VYST is a company that has a lot of positive news coming at the end of the month. Okay, I want to do one thing real quick. Thank you for joining our group, Matthias. Nice to see you guys in here. So I'm going to post the link one more time. I didn't do it that much today, but that's the link to our Discord group. What's up, Nick? And okay, quickly. I'm going to post this stream. So let's get to the news about Canopy. Sorry, guys. Too loud. Thanks for just staying with me for at least an hour. That's pretty cool. Canopy Growth announces multi-year extraction agreement with Victoria-based Hollywood North Cannabis Incorporated. So that's why Canopy's up. Smith Falls, Ontario. Smith Falls sounds like such a nice place. It's probably just a little town. And Holly Weed Manufacturing Extracts are pleased to announce today they have entered into a multi-year processing and extraction agreement. Holly Weed North Cannabis, the parent company of Holly Weed Manufacturing Extracts, is a female-led LGBTQ2 positive company based in British Columbia that operates several subsidiaries specializing in the growth, manufacturing, licensing, and production of cannabis and other pharmaceutical-grade products. Under the terms of the 2-year agreement, Holly Weed Manufacturing Extracts will process dried cannabis provided by Canopy Growth in their advanced manufacturing facility in Victoria and will turn the high-grade oil resin back to the company. This is an opportunity for Canopy Growth to build a strong partnership with another high-quality Canadian company. The cannabis resin we will get from Holly Weed will be used for our current offering of oils and soft gels, as well as our future advanced manufacturing products. Brucey Boy, ensuring we continue to offer the highest quality cannabis oil and resin will be essential for our entry into the edibles market and supports our overall goal of making a wide variety of quality products available to our consumers. Okay, cool. Interesting. So that's just a quick little article. RBC to lend even co 18 million. So we're seeing the bigger banks. We're seeing the bigger banks lend out more and more money, which is nice to see. Let's take a look at CGC. Oh, I don't want to look at CGC. I want to look at weed. I want to look at weed. Whoa. Spilled too much of our coffee. All right, Canopy's up 4%. Now, we were talking about this. I think I was talking about this yesterday or the day before. Pretty sure. Pretty sure I was talking about Canopy yesterday or the day before, how I don't invest into Canopy, but I spotted this pattern that was like, oh my gosh, this looks like it's gonna pop. Sure enough, it did. It did so far. We'll see if we can make those higher highs, but it was like Canopy was not breaking 55, then it was 57, 59, 61. It's a pretty easy pattern to spot. I haven't seen something like that come up in a while. Coffee, no tea. Get them hoes back out there. I may take a pack of everyone's chips and sauce. Wowzers, guys. Damn. A little bit sleepy here. Holy. Sorry, I don't want to make you guys sleepy either. Alright. So, Jay, I actually bought Hydro 1 yesterday. I wanted to add. It's looking pretty good though, I think. Just chuck. Very close. I'm in your backyard. Man, FSD. Good job, Max. Yeah, that's about. You're right. Yeah, it's about 5K. That's usually when I add to stuff like incrementally. It's like 5 to 10 depends. 10 if I think it's a really good time, or 5 if I think it's like a decent time. So, agreed. Atco making a nice little run here. Yeah, I will wait this time. Yes, please wait. Don't sell. Actually, I'm not telling you to buy or sell. Yeah. Do your research. Do your due diligence. Don't buy or sell because I told you to. I take that back. OMG. How are the miners doing today? GT Gold's doing good. Royal Nickel Corporation's at 52 cents. The rest are selling off a little bit. Barrick's been doing so-so. Barrick's been holding 17. See you later, Jay. Thanks for coming. Going to the gym right now sounds nice, actually. So we're coming up on an hour, guys. I want to put together this copper portfolio in a bit, and I want to shoot some other videos. So I'm going to leave in a little bit, but please feel free to drop some requests that I can take a look at right now. We'll take a look at a few more stocks, and then we'll see what's up. NAK. NAK. Northern Dynasty Minerals. Let's take a look at this. When did you buy it? Northern Dynasty Minerals. Let's see what they do. $213 million market cap. Can you take a look at AFH, Atlas Financial Holdings? Okay. 1 second. Mining claims, state of Alaska, land in southwest Alaska. Part of the Pebble, copper, gold, molybdenum. Copper and gold. I like copper and gold. 2,400 mineral claims and is situated over 1,000 feet above sea level and approximately 60 miles from tidewater on Cook Inlet. Very interesting. Northern Dynasty Minerals. This one had a massive pop there in 2017. I like what they're into. That's pretty cool stock. Let me see. NAK. We'll add NAK to our precious metal miners. NAK. RNX will hit 63 cents soon. I sure hope so. Okay, so we got a few more requests. ACB isn't too bad. Let's go, Joy. We need an afternoon pickup to green. I want to see TGOD, man. I want to see TGOD get into the green. TGOD gets into the green. We're out. Oh, it's down 420. Psh. Oh yeah, NMX. I want to look at Nemaska. 35 cents. And it dipped to 30 cents this week. Tough one. Tough one. Yeah, I think people are taking profits on ACB, but it wasn't a hard sell-off. Like, what, ACB's down like a 1 or 2%? 2%. So I'll come back at you with some good copper stocks, but Nevsun is one. Nevsun's one I'm looking at. But we'll come back with some good copper stocks in our next live stream. I'll have to do a little bit more research. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the stream today. We did see a couple people join, so that's awesome. Welcome new recruits. Welcome Antonio. Welcome Wayne. Welcome Matthias. Thanks for joining, guys. Okay. And one more thing. Yeah, so we'll just post a link to the Discord group. Yeah, and I'm going to put together that copper portfolio for you guys. We're going to be looking at some copper stocks. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. We've seen like way over 100 viewers recently. This is awesome. Let's keep this going. We almost got 96 likes, and I didn't even ask barely for likes today. So if you guys want to smash that like button, get us to 100 likes, and then I'm going to go home. No, I'm not going to go home, but I'm just going to go. So that's it, guys. Farewell, and I'll see you later on in the day. Bye-bye.